Today I am going to make sweet cherry galette. That's all ingredient we need to make a dough. All-purpose flour, sugar, salt, unsalted butter, and ice water. First, we are going to make galette dough. Combine the flour, sugar, and salt in the mixing bowl. Mix everything with the fork very well. Add the chilled butter into the mixture. Mix with a fork until the dough resembles coarse cornmeal. I am going to use my hand for rubbing flour and butter together. Dribble ice water into the mixture in several times. Tossing and mixing until the dough just hold together. Don't overwork with the dough. It makes the dough very tough. Divide the dough in half and make a ball. Wrap tightly in plastic wrap. Refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. That's all ingredients I use for filling. Black cherry, cornstarch, lime juice, sugar. For crust, I use sugar and 1 egg. Place the cherries in a bowl. Toss with the sugar, cornstarch, and lime juice. Make a circle about 1/8 inch thick. Move off excess flour from both sides. Transfer the dough to a parchment paper lined baking sheet and refrigerator at least 30 minutes before using filling. Sprinkle some sugar before adding filling. Place the cherries mixture in the center, leaving a 2-inch border of the crust. When the cherries are placed, fold the crust over top of them. Brush the crust with the beaten egg wash and sprinkle the crust with the white sugar. Bake the galette until the crust is golden color, about 40 to 45 minutes. Now remove galette from oven and let cool slightly. Serve warm with vanilla ice cream. Enjoy!